What does it mean if your child has throat pain without cough and cold, and how do you combat this issue? So, with a lot of pollutants around ourselves, you see children coming with throat pain without any cold or cough. It just means that the throat is infected, or it may be pharyngitis or tonsillitis. So, some kind of inflammation around the throat area. How do you combat this issue? You need to get a practice of gargling with either salt water or turmeric water every day. Make this part of your child's daily routine. Also reduce the use of chocolates and biscuits in your child's diet. It is the most convenient method to give a meal to your child. So look at different ways and means of packing a tiffin to your child. Be more innovative in your everyday cooking. You can also add turmeric, ajwain, jeera, cinnamon, pepper, cloves, and make a concoction out of it, and you can give your child to sip it off and on. You can give pepper and honey. You can also give yashti madhu powder with honey, like a lickable once or twice in a day. You get also yashti madhu in the form of yashti madhu sattva. You can take that one pinch every day, can be given to the child. You can give your child the goodness of guduchi or giloy. It can be given either in the form of juice, or it can be, the leaf of giloy can be boiled in water and given to the child every season. If it's tedious to make it at home, you have giloy juice which you can order from a good Ayurvedic online store.